how to sign out from Mimo app. So you are done learning for the day and want to sign out of the Mimo app. It's super simple. Let's walk through it together. First things first, open up your Mimo app. And now we are inside the app. Now what you have to do is look for the profile icon which is in the bottom right corner. It's over here. Tap on it. And this will take you to the profile page. Now tap on setting icon which is in top right corner over here. Tap on it. That will take you to the settings of your profile. Simply scroll down and you can see an option for the logout over here. Simply tap on logout and boom, you have successfully signed out of the Mimo app. Easy peasy. Now you know how to sign out whenever you need to. At last, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.